Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. In today's video we'll take a very quick look at Borqs Technologies. Ticker symbol BRQS. As always, before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Borqs Technologies, Inc., through its subsidiaries, provides development services, software solutions, and products for Android-based smart connected devices in China, India, the United States, and internationally. It operates through two segments: mobile virtual network operator services and connected solutions. The company develops wireless smart connected devices and cloud solutions, and provides a range of 2G, 3G, 4G voice and data services for general consumer usage and Internet of Things devices, as well as telecom services such as voice conferencing. It also offers commercial-grade Android platform software and service solutions for mobile chipset manufacturers, mobile device OEMs, and mobile operators, as well as mobile connected device solutions for use in enterprise and consumer applications. In addition, the company offers BeSmartTrack, a mobile smart tracking solution to track and trace the quarantined individuals in the COVID-19 situation. Further, it sells hardware products. Borqs Technologies, Inc. is headquartered in Beijing, China. Borqs Technologies has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Wednesday, September 29, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Insider ownership percentage is 7.20%. Insider buying, last 12 months, is $0. Insider selling, last 12 months, is $0. Borqs Technologies stock price gapped up prior to trading on Monday. The stock had previously closed at $1.33, but opened at $1.52. Borqs Technologies shares last traded at $1.61, with a volume of 159,179 shares. The company has a 50-day simple moving average of $1.06 and a 200-day simple moving average of $1.09. The one analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Borqs Technologies Inc. have a median target of 12.00, with a high estimate of 12.00 and a low estimate of 12.00. The median estimate represents a plus 627.27% increase from the last price of 1.65. Borqs Technologies Inc. is among other tech penny stocks to watch. This came as the BRQS's stock price saw its first meaningful move in over a month. Shares jumped from $1.07 to highs of $1.34 during Friday's January 8 trading session. The move came as Borqs seemingly benefited from a broader move in the overall tech sector. One of the things that have helped boost interest in the company, in addition to the overall excitement for 5G penny stocks, is what was announced in December of 2020. The company signed an official agreement for a 5G industrial park project in China. Borqs reported that it signed with the board committee of Huzhou South Taihu New Area for the project. A joint venture will be set up in the area that will serve as Borqs China headquarters for 5G projects. This would add to the company's growing list of infrastructure projects signed in the third quarter. Borqs and Skycentrix previously announced plans for a joint venture for manufacturing and delivering CTA-2045 technology-based products. These are for utility-scale automated smart controls. Like always, if you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Why not join our private Discord server for buy and sell alerts and more? You can find the link to my Patreon in the description. It's £3 a month and helps support the channel. There's also a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.